CO, the invisible enemy. This is not new, but carbon monoxide, CO, is a real killer. It's hard to detect, so it sneaks into places unexpectedly. It causes more deaths every year than any other gas. Probably more than all other gases combined. Carbon monoxide is very common. All it takes is burning anything with carbon, like wood, cloth, coal, or gasoline, without enough oxygen. When carbon burns, it forms carbon monoxide first. Then, if there's enough oxygen, it turns into carbon dioxide. But carbon monoxide needs to be hot to mix with oxygen. If it cools before mixing, it stays as carbon monoxide. This is why adjusting gas burner air regulators is dangerous. If you sleep in a room with a running gas burner and no good ventilation, you may never wake up. This causes many deaths each year. If you need heaters, electric ones are safer. Carbon monoxide has no smell. It has no taste. It doesn't cause a tickle in your nose or lungs. It doesn't make you sneeze. Breathing too much causes drowsiness and unconsciousness. If not rescued, the person could die. Car exhaust gases are irritating. That's because of burning oil or inhaling gasoline byproducts. The irritation isn't from carbon monoxide. Sources of exposure. The main source is car exhaust. But there are many other sources. At home, oil, gas, or coal burners can produce carbon monoxide if not adjusted right. Water heaters are especially bad, as the flame contacts a cooler surface, making carbon monoxide. In industry, carbon monoxide is made in commercial gas manufacturing, methyl alcohol and other organic chemicals, carbide manufacturing, coal and wood distillation, ovens, stoves, forges, mines and smelting plants, garages and anywhere engines run. How it works. Carbon monoxide isn't a poison. It causes death by depriving the body of oxygen. It's like drowning or getting an electric shock. The body needs oxygen to function. Oxygen from the air combines with hemoglobin in the blood. This oxyhemoglobin carries oxygen to the body tissues. There, it exchanges oxygen for carbon dioxide, a waste product. The carbon dioxide goes back to the lungs and is expelled. But carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin 300 times faster than oxygen. Even in low concentrations, it reduces the blood's ability to carry oxygen. This causes oxygen deficiency in the body.